this, I extend my sincerest congratulations to the Rotary Club of New Manila East on this momentous 40th anniversary.
Although they were already recognized earlier, our friends from South Korea, from the Rotary Club of Daejeon Junto,
Rotary Club of New Manila East scored big in service, fellowship, and community leadership.
To the pillars of this club, all of them are mentors.
It is very evident in our club that the young members, the young leaders have taken over from us. A more responsive, a more aggressive leadership.
He is a brilliant author of historical plays. He was a professor in English and comparative literature.
Let us not forget that the magic of Rotary is the magic of Rotarians. You, individually and collectively, make that magic possible.
I'd like to thank all of you for being here tonight. I really appreciate the time that you took to be with us to celebrate our 40th year. And I hope that you have enjoyed the evening. May God continue to bless the Rotary Club of New Manila East and give us more years to come. Cheers!